You just yawned because I said the word yawn, didn't you? That's because yawning is contagious as fuck, thanks to mirror neurons in your brain that make you copy other people like a goddamn sheep. Why do we even yawn? Scientists don't know for sure, but the leading theory is brain cooling. Yawning increases blood flow and brings in cool air to regulate your overheated brain. Boredom, tiredness, or seeing someone else yawn triggers your brain to say, copy that shit. You're probably yawning right now. Follow Dr. Bold for more about your fucked up brain.